Hi there, my name's Rhys Eaton. I'm on the BBC Production Fast Track Apprenticeship and I'm part of the social media team. My typical day consists of me logging into my computer, getting a brief off my line manager and working towards any content that needs to be cut as far as Instagram, Facebook and Twitter posts. Well, the highlight of my experience so far would be working on Legends of Welsh Sport and getting to meet Gareth Bale. I would like the next step in my path to be kind of securing a permanent position within the company, if not just gaining the skills to be a good freelancer for when the apprenticeship comes to an end.